welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. And if you are not new, thank you for coming back and thank you for spending time with me today. I really do appreciate it. So, got my Boxycharm. It is a little later than most have gotten theirs. So I just wanted to go ahead and share this with you guys. If you are not familiar with Boxycharm, it is a monthly beauty subscription. So it can range from skincare to beauty, makeup, body care, things like that, hair care, all of that. And the one that I currently receive is the base box. It is $25 a month plus tax. So it ranges for about $27 and some change, or you can pay yearly. You could do 3, 6, or 12 months. And they do have a premium box, which is the second tier, which is $35. But you have to be signed up for the base box in order to be able to get the premium. And that's for $35 plus tax, so about $37 and some change. I did used to get that. I no longer do. I'm considering resubscribing, but I don't know because I have a huge collection at the moment. And so I definitely don't want to build it up that quickly, much more. That's why, that is why I initially stopped it, because it was just a lot of products and I'm trying to work through what I have and I still buy and all of that. And then you have the Boxy Luxe, which comes around, I believe, every 3 months, $49.99 for that term. So if you have the base box, it's the $25 plus another $25, so $50. But I have seen some of the Luxe boxes. I think they are definitely worth it. I may consider doing that instead of signing up for the premium, just so I feel like I'm getting a little bit more. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get started. All of the info will be linked down below. I do have my Boxycharm link down below. It doesn't give me any money or anything, but if you want to use it to go over to Boxycharm, it does give me charms if you do sign up that I could use towards products at a later time once I get those accumulated. But if you just want to go over to Boxycharm, please feel free to do so. You do not have to use my link, but it is there for you if you'd like to. So I do see a card, which is always nice, and it's a really cute card. It has like some of my favorite colors. It has some greens and pinks and blues, and it's called Sweet Treats right there. Very, very pretty. And I got variation C2104040-BA, whatever that is. They never had them like that before, but you know, it's okay. All right, so let's just go ahead and get started. There is some nice bubble wrap in here, which is always great. And we're just gonna dive in. So the first thing that I see in here is the Eloise Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator. This is a 1 fluid ounce, champagne rich. So this is what the box looks like. It is kind of reflective. Has like a rosy gold. On here it says Eloise Beauty Get Gleaming Body Glow. This is a non-sticky and lightweight luminizer that can be applied to all areas of the face and body for a dazzling, buildable glow. This transfer-proof formula is filled with ultra sparkly reflex to radiate your skin. So let's go ahead and see if we can open it just to get an idea of what it looks like. I don't know that I'm going to keep this because, like I said, I don't use a ton of these products. I would love to, but they're just not like something that I'm accustomed to or that I pull for a lot. If I did not tell you, I apologize. This retails for $38. It's pretty pricey. It does say that you could use code Boxycharm to get 20% off your entire order. This is what it looks like. Very pretty packaging. And just looking at it, I don't know that this would work for my skin. It's kind of, I don't know. I may have to it is a pump, so if I wanted to at least try it and just see if it works, maybe like on this area here, maybe I can do that. And then if for some reason I do have a couple friends that wouldn't mind it and would enjoy this. So yeah, that's the first item I received. Next item that I got is, I believe this was my choice. This is the Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer, formulated with hyaluronic acid. hydrating, firming, and youthful effect. It is a 1.5 fluid ounce. I picked this because my choices were not very great, and that is what it looks like. I got the color. Let's read the card. It says, a tinted moisturizer with a light to medium coverage, formulated with hyaluronic acid to combine hydrating skincare benefits with lightweight coverage and a glowy look. I saw my friend Chanel on here. She picked this as well, and hers would not pump, and she had opened it and she said it didn't have, yeah, mine does not have that either. You know, like the straw that goes in it to like pump it. So maybe because of the way it is like this, when you go to pump it, it's just automatically going to come down. I'm not going to pump it now because I have too many foundations currently open, and I don't want to do that at the moment. I'm trying to see what color I picked. Oh, so hopefully I picked a good color. I don't know that I did. And if I did forget to tell you, this retails for $35. So yeah, I picked this because summer's coming up and I love tinted moisturizers in the summer, and I never tried this one. And I figured because everything else I didn't really care for, so I got that. That is one I know I'm going to be keeping. Okay, the next item is these lashes. It looks like they're from Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics. Monarch Lash Pack. It comes with 2 lashes. They are in different styles, and it comes with a like a lash holder to like put them on. And it says here, whether you're just transitioning into makeup or simply seeking an everyday comfortable glam lash, Baby Girl and Charmer are the perfect duo. Baby Girl is an angled lash perfect for achieving the iconic cat eye effect. Charmer is a round lash we created for an instant doll effect, eye effect. Both are 100% silk and cruelty free. Apply with your favorite pair Apply your favorite pair with lash applicator included in your kit. Retails for $38. It's saying that it is a new launch to their brand. So the top is Baby Girl, which is an angled lash for an iconic cat eye effect, and bottom lash is Charmer round lash for an instant doll effect. So Baby Girl's on the top and Charmer's on the bottom. They're beautiful. I love the packaging. If my daughter was old enough to wear lashes, I would let her, because she's not yet though. She's 13, because she loves butterflies. It makes, when I look at this, I think of her. And then the other thing is, we've always called her, since she was little, Baby Girl. And I still call her that to this day, even though she's 13 and going to be 14. So I would love her to wear these. So I will probably hang on to these for her. Again, they retail for $38. So I have 2 more things in my box. And I do see this one. This is the Natasha Denona Ayana 5 eyeshadow palette. It did come in a cardboard box like this. I did see that people who have premium box, they got the other shade that was being offered in this, like my friend Teresa and Chanel, and they got theirs in an actual Natasha Denona box, you know, where it says not like this. So I guess it's okay, because I always throw them, depending on the palette itself, I usually throw them away. But yeah, definitely not going to keep this box. But this is what the palette looks like. It's just your neutrals palette. I guess this would be great for every day or for travel. That is what it looks like right there. It does say on here, Natasha Denona Ayana eyeshadow palette. I could be pronouncing it wrong. It says a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm, featuring 5 ultra pigmented, neutral, cool toned shades in a range of muted browns with a touch of a sparkly metal green tourmaline, inspired by the Japanese meaning of Aya, meaning color and design combined with Na, meaning elegant, graceful, and delicate. It's perfect everyday palette to create sophisticated classic looks as well as evening looks with a super glam finish. Formulated with Natasha's signature blendable, user-friendly formulas and the highest quality pure color pigments, dazzling chroma crystals and luminous pearls, suitable for every skin tone. Cruelty-free and allergen-free. Retails for $48. Again, a Boxy exclusive. That's exciting. And it's a really pretty palette. I mean, it's pretty neutral. I would say this could be more for every day. You could definitely glam it up. It's not bad. It wouldn't be the one that I would pick. Again, that is what it looks like. But I'm glad to have it. Let's watch and see what they look like. Oh, that green is beautiful. Wow. So I'm going to swatch them. They are buttery, which is nice. They don't feel drying. Even the matte feels buttery. I do like her formula. They do have fallout. The brown isn't super pigmented, but like that dark brown. But yeah, very pretty. Definitely, let me put this palette down. This will be my third. I would have had 4 Natasha Denona palettes, but I gave one away. It was a mini. I should have given it more like of a chance, but I had it so long, and when I finally tried it, I got rid of it. But, and I don't remember who I gave it to. But these are the shades in that palette right there. There's that real pretty green, and then this is all of them coming from right to left. There they are. Beautiful. I cannot wait to use that green one for sure. Third Natasha Denona. I've gotten 2 from Boxycharm and 1 I got for my birthday last year. Demore's Radition Body Cleanser. And it looks like this. I think Chanel got this as well. My friend Chanel. I saw her with this as well. And it is a 5 fluid ounce. And it says here, an organic, low-foaming, aromatic, soft cleanser suitable for all skin types, infused with bioactive ingredients such as coffee, rosemary extract, infusion with verbena oil. Together they tone, purify, and protect the skin, while aloe vera nourishes and softens it. Retails for $22. So that sounds nice. Let's see if it has a little... Wow, it smells very, very good. Very nice. So I will definitely be keeping that for myself. One thing I may consider giving away from this box is the Get Gleaming Body Glow. I may try it, like I said, maybe in this area. And then if I don't like it, I do have a friend I can pass it on to. Let me quickly see what the total of my box was this month. So this month my box retailed for $181 even, which I think is definitely a great box. Like I said, I paid $25 and so actually $27 and some change with tax. So paying that and then getting this, I think was great. Of course, I did not need another eyeshadow palette, but I'm always glad to have the Natasha Denona palette because it is $48, which is pretty crazy. It's everything I got in this month's Boxycharm base box for my April box 2021. You guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It does really help my channel. Appreciate each and every one of you guys. Definitely, if you have not subscribed, I would love you to if you would like to. And if not, no worries. But I thank each and every one of you guys. Have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.